Jermane Alleyne always knew she would become a lawyer someday. Her passion is family law, so she can protect and advocate for children. But the road was not easy. The young Sophia Georgetown woman spoke with the newsroom at the High Court on Friday, just before she was admitted to the bar.
I'm from Sophia, so you know that being somebody from that place would be, it's a stigma attached to the area, but I don't believe that coming from a community of that repute could stop anybody from achieving their dreams. But as I pursued my career in the law, I began to be exposed to all other areas where I learned that I'm not only interested in family law and the rights of child. So I started developing an interest in international law and real estate law and estate and property law and so on. So that's when I decided to say, yes, okay, I need to advance myself.
Jermane is the third of 4 children and the first lawyer for her immediate family. The death of her father and financial challenges proved difficult for Jermane, and she was forced to take a year off from pursuing her dreams.
I did not immediately get to go into the law program at UG. I did 1 year pre-law. I did international relations. Then I transferred into the University of Guyana Law Department. After that, I was placed in the top 25 students to go to Hugh Wooding. But then again, I was faced with another obstacle because I could not find the money. I didn't have the fees, I didn't have anybody to lean to. And in the previous, a few months before, my father passed. So that was a big shock for us, and it was very difficult to deal with. But I decided to take the gap year since I could not find the fees and the living expenses that Trinidad would want.
Jermane worked in construction, and after she managed to secure funding to go to law school, she did not make it on the list to go to Trinidad and study, and as such, she had to write the entrance examination.
I feel great, to be honest, but it's a bittersweet moment because I would have wanted my father to be here because he sacrificed a lot for me. He really did everything that he could because he knew that I wanted to do law. To be honest, what I would say is start getting the hands-on experience. The practical experience is what helped me in law school because you can get all the teachings, all the theory based from the books and so on, but the practical experience is what really helped me, especially in drafting and giving advice in examination and tutorial questions and so on. So I would advise them, if you can find a law firm that would give you an internship, if you have some friend who's a lawyer, if you know somebody's aunt who's a lawyer, ask them to give you the advice, ask them to give you knowledge beforehand because that really helped me, and I think that it should be something that people should think about more than just going straight off from University of Guyana. We had this abrupt change in our schedule for school when the pandemic started in early March, and the school decided to send the students from other jurisdictions home just to safeguard their security and to safeguard their health. So adapting to the change was a bit difficult for me because I'm a more on-hands person, so I need the books from the library to use. I don't really like the virtual teaching. I need to interact physically in class with the lecturer. So it was a bit of a change, but nevertheless I persevered.